Hello everyone, myself Dhanraj C. Parmar from ICT Semester 5 from Marwadi University. Today I am going to present my project presentation which is guided by Mr. Kapil Shukla, who is the assistant professor in our ICT department in Marwadi University. So here is my index. So first is my project description, second one is my project features, third one is my project demonstration, fourth one is my project pros and cons, then new concepts which I have learned during my project. So first of all, begin with project description. So project which I have made is Android based project and it run over Android phones, and my project is designed for only faculties or teachers, not for students. So my project is eliminate time and effort in paperwork for attendance marking and monitoring. It is easy to use and it has a simple user interface. So I build my project using Kotlin language and Android Studio. So let's see our my project features. So first feature is subject list creation and deletion, which means you can create subject and delete a subject. Then student list creation, which is suppose you create one subject and that subject includes student list. Next is add, update and delete students, which means you can add, update and delete students in your student list. Then export specific student attendance file to our file internal storage, and then taking a student attendance. Now let's see quick demonstration of our project. Okay, so here you can see I have installed my project application which named with mobile attendance. So you can see this is a splash screen. A splash screen means the screen will stay for time and then it disappears. Through the add button you can add the subject. Suppose I have add math subject. So here you can press the add button and you can add that subject and cancel button to close this dialog box. So here now you have to tap on math subject. So there this is the subject list of my math subject. This is empty because I'm not add any student in math subject yet. Okay, so here you can see the three dots which is a menu. From menu you can take the student attendance, add student data, update student data, delete student data, export data file which is attendance file, and here is my application about. So let's take add student data. So here it automatically search in database which is uh, what is your last roll number, and if your last roll number is not added, means you fresh newly started the application, it will automatically set first roll number, and here you will enter the student name. Suppose I entered my name and I will simply press this add button to add my data in math subject. So here you can see first roll number and my data is successfully added. So now you can see there is some data in math subject. So first is student roll number which is 1, and second one is student name which is my name, 21 November 2020. So here it displays 0 because it shows that my attendance not taken yet. So what I will do for that, I just simply tap on menu and then tap take student attendance. So here you can see it automatically details the student roll number and student name, and there is a third field attendance, and here is a previous and next buttons. Suppose there is two students and you want to change between those students, you have just press previous and next, and there is other three buttons which is absent, present and leave. Suppose I am leave on 21 November 2020. So here is leave is done. Here you can see gray, in gray font there is a leave, and now here you can see 21 November 2020 is updated as a leave. Then update student data. So what is student so what I will do, suppose suppose you updates in update student data, you will add my surname which is Parmar, and suppose or anything else you if you want, if you change the roll number you can also change the roll number, and here you just simply click on update. So then update data is successful. So now here you can see Dhanraj Parmar, which is my full name. Now let's see our delete student data. Suppose suppose you want to delete the particular student data, and if you have a multiple student data and you want to delete in between, so what you have to do, you have to do just click on previous or next button to swap your student data, and you have to just delete on the button. Now you get the alert that delete record. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Suppose you don't want to delete, then press on no, and if you want to delete, then press yes. So here is no data found, because after delete that record the toast will appear, and there is sees that no, but our data is deleted successfully. Now let's see export data file, which is our attendance data file. So here you have to put your student roll number. Suppose my roll number is 1, and if you want to export data file, then simply click that export to file. Then here is warning, that is only show the warning you have selected student name, which is Dhanraj Parmar's data to write in file. This is automatically detect from database as per the roll number we have entered, and if we don't want to export, then simply press no, and if you want to export, then simply press yes. So here is our file exported successfully. So now where we can see our file, so as I told that in file manager, here you can see Android folder, click it, then data folder, then here is our application package folder. Just simply click it, and here is a file folder. So finally we get our text file. So I am open it. Name which is maths, because from math subject I have imported this file. If there is science subject, and from science subject if I export the file, so here subject name is science, and there is a file generated time, and the file contains student roll number, data, and the dates, and the date you have absent, present or on leave. So this file contains so that's my exported file, and Now let's back our presentation. So what is pros and cons of my project? So pros is eliminates the use of paperwork needed for attendance marking and monitoring. Second pros is attendance file we can transfer via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or another sharing applications. And also there is no need for laptop or computer in every class if you have mobile. And it is most useful for tuition classes where a computer and laptop devices are not available that can store attendance data. And cons of my project, that is run over only Android mobile devices because it's built in Kotlin programming language and Android Studio. And it is only designed for faculties. Student cannot participate in my application. So new concept I have learned, which is basics of Kotlin language, uh, basics of Android Studio, basics of Android OS operating system, SQL database, and Android file input and output. And here is two reference link. First link is my project idea, where I get my project idea, and second one is a splash screen image. So that's all about my project. Thank you.